probably locked up anyway. I bet it still looks the same as when I ran away that day. Doesn't matter